Haba ng pila, may gulay. Ayan o. Wizz Air. Haba ng pila. Woo! Wizz Air din yun. What's up mga kachokan? And welcome to another episode of Lakas Tamart. For today's vlog, we're going to Georgia via Wizz Air. So currently, nandito tayo sa Abu Dhabi Airport. So from Wizz Air, from what do you call this? From Abu Dhabi. So Wizz Air tayo. And then, bababa tayo. I mean, we're going to land sa Kutaisi. So, from Kutaisi Airport, magbabas tayo going to Tbilisi. So, that will take us for about, I think, 3.5 hours to 4 hours. 4 hours. Check it out. So, our flight to Kutaisi is at 6:30. So, kain muna tayo. We still have much time. Dito tayo get sa food court. Tada! So, okay, while waiting, tayo muna tayo dito sa food court sa airport. Let's expect na medyo, of course, pricey yung food. What to do, ganun talaga. So, ito yung mga restaurants that they offer here. Tada! Alright. Welcome to Food Park. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Ito yung madaling order rin eh. So, ito yung order namin. Let's eat. And so, we're done with our quick bite. So, nag-Texas chicken na lang kami. So, ayun na nga. And just because I feel thirsty, bumili ako nitong water. This costs 9 dirhams po na tumataginting dito sa airport. So, ayun na nga. 9 po siya. Ayan, 9 dirham. Wala kasi akong baon na water bottle. So, bumili kami nito. Tapos, hanapin na natin yung boarding gate natin para maka-settle down na tayo. Time check. Anong oras na ba? Time check, it's 4:20 in the afternoon. Ang lipad natin, going to Kutaisi via Wizz Air. Ang lipad ay 6:30. So, door closes at 6 o'clock. Let's go! We're too early yet. So, sarado pa yung ating boarding gate. Yun. Okay na yung mag-antay ka na dito. Dito naman sa mas stress ka. Okay. Na maghanap ng kung saan yung boarding gate mo. So, at least, in that case, settled ka na. Diba? Meron ding McDonald's dito. Just in front of Lulu! Tada! Ito ha, malaki ang Abu Dhabi Airport. So, upon coming here, don't be a time optimist. Saying na you still have more than enough time to search for your boarding gate. Okay? So, this is our second time na to reach Abu Dhabi Airport, but I can guarantee you malayo ang lalakaran nyo. So I suggest have enough time in coming here for your flight, and then wear comfortable shoes. Okay? May charging station sila. Tada! Antay muna tayo dito sa boarding gate. Medyo mahaba-haba pa ang waiting time. But it's okay. At least hindi tayo na-stress. Nagbago ng boarding gate A2. Kanina A5. Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko. So, ayun na nga. Ito na nga ba sinasabi ko. Nagbago na naman ng boarding gate yung flight namin. Earlier, it was A5. Just now, nag-change siya to A2. Eh, di ba naka-chill kami dito sa dyan. Yung sa area, nakaupo kami. So, pag-check namin dun sa board, okay, sa bulletin board, tada! Ayan. Instant, nagbago na naman ng boarding gate. So, yeah. Every now and then, i-check ninyo yung board, ha? Para ma-advise kayo or maging aware kayo na if may changes dun sa boarding gate. Totoo na yan, totoo na to. Ito na yung boarding gate A2. Kutaisi. Tada! Okay. For Filipinos, visa free tayo upon entering Georgia. Okay? I repeat, visa free tayo mga Filipinos pag pupunta sa Georgia. Another thing, it is requested na mag-check-in kayo online sa Wizz Air. Otherwise, you will be charged pag sa airport kayo nag-check-in. Okay? Take note of that. Time check, 5:51. Tada! Ayan na! Let's go! Yes! We're done! Ayan o. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. See you in QR's, Georgia. Ah, exciting!
Abu Dhabi today. I wish you a stay in Georgia and looking forward to see you on our next flight.
Maraming salamat po. See you next time.
Thank you po. Salamat. Malamig, malamig, malamig. Ang ganda. Pwede ba dito sa unahan? Pwede ba dito? Ito yung sinakyan naming bus from Kutaisi Airport to Tbilisi. So 4 hours yung biyahe. Oy, may aso. Ayoko dyan, bala ka dyan. Dito na ako magbablog. So ayun. So tayo Tbilisi. Itong bus na to, 25 gel ang binayaran ko. Per head, per head.
The next day.
touchdown, Tbilisi. Behind me is Freedom Square. Daling araw na, haba ng biyahe. So, ngayon lang kami nakarating, as in, ang haba-haba ng biyahe. Weather, malamig. Malamig siya actually. But it is not freezing cold. Hanapin natin yung Sololaki Hotel. Okay. Let's go. From here, taxi. Let's go to Sololaki. Ang cute ng taxi. Ang liit. So, okay. Let's go. Ito ba yun? Reception, second floor. Oh, sige, sabi mo eh. Ito, may elevator naman. Ito, level 2. Sige, level 2 tayo. So, few minutes away lang from the square. Itong Sololaki Hotel. Level 2, reception. Let's go. Close. Tada! So, 6 levels lang tong hotel na to. And then, let's go. Ito. Hi! Okay, so welcome to Sololaki for today's outfit. And yesterday's outfit na rin. Just arrived. Yes, please. Toilet check. Tada! Ang makeup ko, samit na. Okay, for today's video, ayan, toilet check tayo. Medyo madilim. Okay, buksan natin itong ilaw na to. Okay, may bathtub. Okay.
Here's the keys.
Thank you. Binigay yung susi. Okay, merong ganito. Tada! Uy! Ito ang heater. Tapos, okay. Ito may, ano ba to? Okay, fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, may ganito. Tada! Okay, malaki naman siya. So, acceptable naman. Pero bakit parang dim light? Open pa natin more yung ilaw. Todo na to. No. To. Buksan natin yung ilaw dito. Uy, patay ka diha dong. Why? 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 Okay. Okay. Parang ano From my own personal perspective, malaki naman yung area, malaki yung room. I think I will be enjoying this place. Itong place lang na to. What's in here? Okay, ang dami nilang cabinet. Wait, meron akong gusto makita sa toilet. Meron akong hinahanap. Yung ito, this is my favorite. Ito. Patuyuan ng towel. Ayan. Hinahanap-hanap ko siya nung nasa Dubai ako. Ito kasi ano to eh. Ayan o. Patuyuan ng towel siya. Okay. Tuloy na natin to. Sana gumagana. Kailangan gumagana to ah. Okay. Let's go. Meron din naman siyang balcony. Okay, ito. Then, ano to? Anong play area to? Ay, ano kaya yun? Ano? There you go. Good morning, Tbilisi. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Tbilisi. Hello. Lamig. Malamig siya actually. Look. Ew. So, ayun na nga. We already reached Sololaki Hotel. Medyo bangag ang pakiramdam kasi ang haba ng biyahe talaga. We left Dubai. Ilang oras ba? Basta ang aga pa nang umalis kami sa Dubai. And then just now, dumating kami dito sa Tbilisi. And then we have to travel pa nga from Kutaisi Airport to here. Now, dito tayo sa Sololaki Hotel. Malaki yung room actually. So they have this area. Okay naman yung bedroom. Okay, malaki siya. Kita may room. And then, may bathtub, which is actually, I don't normally use. Okay. This is the best part. This is the best part. Ito yung favorite ko. Sana gumagana siya. And it has to be gumagana. What else? Ang daming cabinet. Look. Alam mo naman, parami yan lalagay. What else? Yun. Yun naman. Single bed. Double bed. So at this time, we have to get out from the hotel just to buy something or food. Kasi wala pa kami matinong kain. Think safe naman. I hope wala kaming ma-encounter ng mga gypsies, which I never thought of wanting to encounter. Let's go to the grocery. Medyo wala pa ako sa mood at wala pa akong energy na mag-speak ng anything like intro or anything. Say something about what happened earlier from the airport and then to here, or even from Kutaisi. I still have no energy yet, so I just need to compose myself. Why I am making linga-linga, because you know, I just need to take good care of myself. See that? See what I mean? I mean, you know what I mean. From this grocery, bumili kami ng mga essentials, food, ganyan. So, note lang, kung pupunta kayo dito sa mga grocery, magdala kayo ng mga eco bag. Kasi, may bayad sila yung mga, so you have to bring, eco bag, ganyan. 20 cents yung bayad sa, sa plastic. So, save money. Save Mother Earth. Magdala ng eco bag. From outside, ang daming aso. Doon pa lang sa may Freedom Square, daming aso. Even yung pag punta namin sa grocery, still may aso. I don't know why. Pero ang healthy ng mga dogs. Gusto nila. I'm so freaking tired and sleepy. Grabe, haba ng biyahe.